iPhone 15 leaks have revealed a number of surprising design decisions, including an exclusive Pro Max periscope camera and a new action button controls. But perhaps the biggest shock is that they are shaping up to be the most open standard iPhones ever released. According to a new leak by Charger Lab, a power specialist website with a rock-solid track record, all iPhone 15 models will support fast 15 watts wireless charging using the QI2 open standard. If correct, this is a major U-turn because Apple had previously limited open wireless charging standards to 7.5 watts, with only Apple MagSafe licensed accessories getting the full 15 watts. Combine high-speed, open standard wireless charging with the iPhone 15 range's adoption of USB-C wired charging, and this is completely new territory for Apple's smartphones. And the good news doesn't stop there. Charger Lab confirmed from the supply chain that the wholesale price of Apple's MagSafe module is about $16. It takes up the largest part of the cost, resulting in higher retail prices. The site explains the quotation of the new Qi 2 wireless charging module is less than one-third of Apple's MagSafe module, and the manufacturer does not need to be a member of MFi. In this way, there will definitely be cheaper and faster wireless charging accessories on the market. Moreover, the leak further highlights a previously unseen willingness from Apple to work with open standard on the iPhone. Yes, EU law will force Apple to adopt USB-C, but not until December 2024. So Apple could have released the iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 likely September 2023 and 2024 launches respectively with Lightning, but instead it is proactively shifting to USB-C 2 generations earlier than required. In addition, iOS 17 is expected to enable side-loading of apps through third-party app stores. Again, pressure was coming from the European Union for Apple to open up the App Store, but not for another year. Apple is embracing the change. Whether all these changes are just a sign of Apple's confidence in its increasingly dominant market position or a reluctant acceptance of the unavoidable remains to be seen. Either way, it gives potential iPhone 15 upgraders something to look forward to, just as doubts were being sown, especially with bigger changes coming to iPhones in 2024. So that's it for today, guys. Let me know what y'all think about that, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.